For years, if you wanted to win on Amazon, you had to master a specific playbook. But that playbook is being rewritten as we speak, and Amazon itself is holding the pen. They've rolled out a new suite of AI tools that are completely changing the game for sellers. In this video, I'm going to break down the most powerful of these new features and show you exactly how you can use them to get a serious edge in a market that's only getting tougher. We're not talking about some third-party software anymore. This is artificial intelligence built right into Seller Central, made to automate, optimize, and basically turbocharge your entire business. If you've been feeling the squeeze from rising competition, the burnout from endless hours of keyword research, and the constant struggle to get your listings just right, then this is what you've been waiting for. We're cutting through the hype and getting straight to how this works in the real world, because the sellers who figure this stuff out now are the ones who are going to dominate tomorrow. Section 1. The new battlefield. Why AI is no longer optional. Let's be real. Selling on Amazon today is a completely different beast than it was even a few years ago. The marketplace is crowded, ad costs are going up, and customers expect more than ever. The old strategy of just finding a product, throwing up a basic listing, and running a few simple ads, that's broken. To succeed now, you need a level of sophistication that has felt out of reach for a lot of us. It means you have to be a data wizard, constantly tweaking your listings and reacting to market trends instantly. And that's the exact problem Amazon is trying to solve with these new AI initiatives. They know that sellers like you and me are the heart of the marketplace, making up over 60% of sales. To keep things healthy, Amazon needs to give us the same kind of tech firepower that the big corporations have. It's all about leveling the playing field. This is where everything changes. The race for clicks and sales isn't just about who has the best product or the biggest ad spend anymore. It's quickly becoming a game of who has the best system. A system where your strategy guides powerful AI tools to get things done faster, more accurately, and at a scale you could never manage on your own. So stop thinking of AI as just a fancy spell checker. Think of it as your new business partner. Section 2. Amazon's secret weapon, the Enhance My Listing tool. First up is a tool that is arguably one of the most powerful updates for sellers in years, a feature called Enhance My Listing. Since rolling out its generative AI tools in late 2023, Amazon has been focused on this, a direct answer to one of the most draining and critical jobs every seller has, creating listings that actually convert. So what is it? Enhance My Listing is a generative AI tool built on Amazon's powerful in-house models that lives right in your listing dashboard. It looks at your current products and automatically suggests better titles, bullet points, descriptions, and even product details. And it's not just spitting out generic text. The AI chews through massive amounts of data, what customers are searching for right now, seasonal trends, and what the top-selling listings in your category are doing, to create its recommendations. The impact here is huge. Amazon reports that sellers using their generative AI tools see a significant increase in their overall listing quality. And listing quality isn't just some number to feel good about. It means better search rankings, higher click-through rates, and more sales. Think about all the hours you've poured into finding the right keywords and writing perfect bullet points. This tool puts that whole process on autopilot. The adoption rate tells you everything you need to know. Hundreds of thousands of sellers have already used Amazon's new generative AI listing tools. And what's really telling is that Amazon says sellers accept the AI-generated content with few, if any, edits about 90% of the time. This shows just how good it is. But here's the pro tip, the real insider advantage. While just accepting the suggestions is a huge step up, the top 1% of sellers won't just click accept. They'll use these AI suggestions as a high-quality draft and then sprinkle in their own brand voice and unique story. The AI does the grunt work so you can do the brain work. Section 3. Your personal AI business analyst. Project Amelia. So if that first tool is your AI copywriter, think of Project Amelia as your personal AI business analyst. This is the tool that shows where Amazon is really going, and it's a complete game changer. It's currently in beta for a select group of US sellers, but it's coming. Imagine having an expert Amazon consultant on call 24/7. Instead of getting lost in dozens of confusing reports to see what's happening, you can just ask Project Amelia simple questions like, how's my business doing this month? Or, why did my sales for ACE and XYZ drop? The AI, which Amazon has confirmed is built using its Bedrock service, instantly gives you a secure summary of your key metrics, shows you trends, and offers advice tailored to you. It pulls together your sales data, inventory, ad performance, and even customer feedback to give you one clear picture of your business's health. But this is where it starts to feel like we're living in the future. The vision for Project Amelia is much bigger than just answering questions. Amazon says that soon the AI will be able to spot problems before they happen, find growth opportunities, and even offer to fix things for you. Imagine getting a notification that says, "I see your top-selling product will stock out in 10 days based on your current sales velocity. Should I create a new shipping plan for you right now?" That's where this is headed. An assistant that manages the day-to-day headaches for you. This totally changes the skills you need to win. It makes it easier for entrepreneurs who aren't data experts to make smart, data-driven decisions. Project Amelia handles the number crunching so you can focus on building your brand. All right, if you're getting some value out of this breakdown, do me a huge favor and smash that like button and subscribe. We're always breaking down the latest e-commerce strategies to keep you ahead of the curve, and it really helps the channel. Section 4, Scaling at Speed, AI-powered bulk listing. The third huge piece of Amazon's AI push is all about one thing: scale. For sellers with big catalogs or those who launch new products all the time, the process of creating hundreds of listings has always been a soul-crushing bottleneck. It's a repetitive, manual job that can eat up weeks. Amazon is solving this with its new bulk listing workflow. This feature takes the same AI tech from the listing enhancer, but lets you do it for tons of products at once. You can now upload a simple spreadsheet with just the bare bones info, a model number, a basic title, maybe a key feature or two. From that tiny amount of input, Amazon's AI can generate fully fleshed out, high-quality listings for every single product on the sheet. It creates the optimized titles, the detailed bullet points, and the rich descriptions, all ready to go. This is a massive time saver. A job that once took a dedicated team or weeks of your own time can now be knocked out in an afternoon. This gives you an incredible speed-to-market advantage. You can launch an entire new collection faster than your competitors can finish their keyword research. This tool is a direct response to a huge pain point for growing brands. It takes the friction out of scaling your business on Amazon. It's another clear sign of how AI is automating the doing, so you can focus on the strategy. This is how you beat the competition, not just with quality, but with pure speed. Section 5. Beyond Amazon's walls, the third-party AI arsenal. Now, while Amazon's own tools are getting crazy powerful, the smartest sellers know the real magic happens when you combine them with the best third-party AI tools out there. Amazon is building the highway, but specialized tools are like the sports cars that give you that extra 5–10% edge. For deep data analysis, sellers are feeding massive dumps of customer reviews into tools like ChatGPT and Claude. They can spot hidden customer complaints and product ideas that even Amazon's own tools might not catch, summarizing thousands of reviews in seconds. For fine-tuning listings and spying on competitors, tools like Helium 10 and JungleScout are now integrating their own AI features. They can reverse engineer a competitor's strategy or find niche keywords, adding a layer of detail that goes beyond what Amazon's broader tools offer. And for your operations, AI is automating everything from pricing to inventory. AI repricers can adjust your prices 24/7 to win the buy box without killing your profit, while forecasting tools like SoStocked help you avoid running out of stock during huge events like Prime Day. The winning playbook moving forward isn't about choosing Amazon's AI or third-party AI. It's about building your own powerful tech stack where Amazon's tools do the heavy lifting and specialized tools give you that surgical edge. Conclusion. The future is automated. Are you ready? So what does this all mean? We're not just looking at a few new features here. This is a fundamental shift in what it means to be a seller. With tools like Enhance My Listing, the AI Assistant, Project Amelia, and AI-powered bulk creation, Amazon is weaving artificial intelligence into the core of the platform. The days of drowning in manual tasks are numbered. The new game is all about strategic direction. Your value as a seller is shifting from your ability to do the work, the writing, the data crunching, the constant updating, to your ability to effectively direct the AI that does the work for you. The most successful sellers of the next 5 years will be the ones who master these new tools, starting today. The question isn't if you should be using AI in your Amazon business anymore. The only question left is how you're going to use it to build a business that your competition can't touch. The revolution is happening right now, and Amazon is giving you the tools to lead it. What AI tools are you using in your business? Drop them in the comments below. Let's help each other out. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more guides on the future of e-commerce. Thanks for watching.